Cold hands on the rail, I was bruised but awake. Heard a crack in the dark when the ground started to shake. Had a name in my chest, wrote it down in the rain. Every wrong turn I made turned to fuel in my veins. I was down in the dust with my face to the floor. Still I heard that small voice tell me there is more. So I clenched my fist and I held my breath. I could feel that spark coming back from death. If I break tonight, I'll come back again. I'm not done, I'm not done, not done. Every loss made me stronger than before. I can hear the crowd call like a wave in my head, saying keep on moving ahead. So I clenched my fist and I held my breath. I could feel that spark coming back from death. If I break tonight, I'll come back again. I'm not done, not the way it ends. Rise through fire, rise through fire. I will climb higher, I will climb higher. From the ash, from the night, I'm alive, I'm alive. Rise through fire, rise through fire. When the sky falls low and the road runs thin, I will bend like steel, but I won't give in. Hear my final cry, cutting through the night. I was I was down in the ash with a fist full of yesterday, carrying cracks in my chest like a drum that forgot to pray. You said hold on now, when my hands started shaking hard. One small spark in the dark can light up 1,000 scars. I can feel it coming.